Have you ever faced a broken toilet? Replacing it might seem daunting. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. First, let's define the problem. Toilets can leak, crack, or simply stop working. A replacement is necessary when repairs are ineffective. Now, let's look at the key steps. Start by gathering your tools. You will need a wrench, bucket, and silicone. Next, turn off the water supply. Locate the shut-off valve and twist. Flush the toilet to empty the tank and bowl. Now, use a bucket to remove the remaining water. This keeps the area dry and clean. Next, disconnect the water line. Use the wrench to loosen the nuts. Carefully lift the toilet from the floor. You will also need to remove the existing wax ring, which can be messy. It's now time to install the new toilet. Place the wax ring on the flange. This creates a seal. Place the toilet over the flange. Secure it to the floor with bolts. Reattach the water line and turn on the supply. Allow the tank to fill before testing. Finally, check for leaks. You can also use your silicone to create a secure bond around the bottom of the toilet to the floor. Flush a few times to ensure everything works. In summary, replacing a toilet is simple. Gather tools, shut water off, and follow the steps. Ready to tackle your toilet? You'll save money on plumbing. Gather your tools and begin today. Don't hesitate, your bathroom renovation starts now. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.